Yo, what's going on, guys? It is your boy Zytex or Eli here, and I have a package from BPN today. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of went all out, and this is probably like the biggest package I've ever purchased from BPN. I take a lot of their hydration for my endurance running. If you guys have been following me for a while, or if you haven't, I've been doing a lot of half marathons and marathons, and I absolutely love using their products for running. They have like the gels that you see a lot of people use, and then they also have like this electrolyte powder that I love using called G&M Sport. But yeah, so they dropped some merch in collaboration with this company called Rhone. I am not familiar with the company, but it looks super high quality, and I'm actually already wearing the hat. As you guys can see right there, it's got the Go One More, and it's like, I don't know, what would that be? It's like kind of popping out. I'm not sure what that's called, but it's like kind of popping out of the hat. Super nice, and it's like got this like flexibility on the inside, like this, it's called a flex fit or something. It fits really nice, and oh my gosh, Biscuit is currently going feral over there. But yeah, the hat fits super well. Get it off Biscuit, please. She is not the main character, even though she's going feral. Main character energy. So yeah, we're gonna open this t-shirt really quick. I'll put it on for you guys, okay? And then we have two other, oh wait, no. Yeah, two other items. Oh my, bro, the quality on this is unreal. Oh my, like dude, you guys can just tell it's like a stretchy material. Holy smokes, I'm not even joking. This might be the highest quality t-shirt I've legitimately ever owned. But yo, look at that. We got the Bare Performance Nutrition little simplistic logo with the B in the middle for BPN. And then they also got like this dope little back design. I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up. Pretty clean going down the back. You know, pretty simplistic t-shirt, but honestly, I'm here for it. And it's perfect like running material, dude. It is like, it literally feels like, I don't even know, like spandex. Like the type of material, dude, this is gonna feel great. So we're gonna try this t-shirt on real quick. All right, and just like that, we are now in the t-shirt. I'm not even exaggerating. This is literally the highest quality shirt I own. Like, no joke. Like the fabric, the material on this is legitimately top notch. I am definitely gonna be wearing this shirt all the time. Hannah can attest for that eventually. All right, typically once I get a shirt that I really like, I feel like I just wear the same thing over and over and over again. I mean, who doesn't? But all right, yeah, there's the t-shirt. Let's keep moving on though, because we got two more items. And I'm hoping these fit because I ended up getting a medium in the short size. I figured that's typically what I am, is like a medium. Yeah, I don't know. I just know with every different brand, it always varies. Dude, these are sick. I'm already gonna say I've never owned a 3-inch inseam short. So these are gonna be short, all right? You're gonna see my white thighs. Excuse me, this is the olive color. And again, it's got the Go One More branding on the bottom, as you guys can see right there, all right? That is BPN's motto, if you couldn't tell by now. It's literally on everything. But yo, these look sick as well. Super high quality, big fan of the drawstrings, and I'm a huge fan of this color. We also have a black color in these as well. We're gonna try on these shorts really quick for you guys, and let's see how they fit. All right, and just like that, guys, we have the shorts on now. As you guys can see, I don't normally wear shorts this short, as I already said. And, you know, you can see, obviously, my white thighs. But, you know, we got a tan line going, so that means we are getting some sun, okay? These, super clean. They are a little different. I thought at first they didn't have any pockets, like, because I love having like a zipper or something on my shorts to be able to put gels in, but they're actually like in the back, and they're actually like on the inside of the short, but there's like two separate pockets back there. Those are the only pockets back there that I know of, and they're decently sized. I'd say you could probably fit gels back there. That'll be like my only thing I'm gonna have to test out. I wish they did have like a zipper or something, because I'm always a big fan of that. That way I just know it's secure. I mean, I can't complain about the material though. It's super nice. I mean, the branding on it, it just looks so clean. Huge fan of this, and obviously the colorway goes hard. And then the last pair is right here, the black pair. I'm probably not gonna put these on, since, I mean, it's literally the same exact shorts as the ones I have on. Just again, a different color, but these are gonna probably look clean. Oh, heck yeah, dude. These look dope as well. The all black, again, the same color of drawstring, and then it's got the Go One More on the left-hand side on the shorts. Again, the 3-inch inseam, and there also is a little, like a liner in there. That is everything we got. It's also got a little R on the side for Rhone. So, you know, pretty minimalistic branding, which I also like. But yeah, man, that is everything we got from BPN. Like I said, super excited to start wearing this during my runs, and I mean, honestly, just out in general in public, because this stuff is fantastic. Genuinely, I have probably never spent more on products from a company than BPN. Like, I'm gonna be genuinely honest. And that's not like to say like I don't like, you know, enjoy products from other companies that I'm working with or have worked with. But for whatever reason, this company, I have genuinely spent like a ton of money on them because I actually love the product and truly believe in them. So yeah, shout out to BPN, dude. You guys killed it with this collaboration with Rhone. You guys should definitely recommend picking up something from this freaking drop because it is super high quality, especially this t-shirt. Holy smokes, I don't ever want to take this off. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.